Here's a quick tip for you. I just got some new sunglasses, and see how they spring out? I thought that, see, lots of sunglasses don't do that, don't spring out like that. And I thought that was because it wouldn't, you could adjust it to fit up against your head. If you want a little bit less or more away, you would just undo a screw here and go like that. And I ended up going back to the store, but they tweaked something right here and just kind of bent this arm out. And I said, oh, I thought you would just adjust it there. And you know what she said to me? I've never heard this before. Maybe because I haven't bought sunglasses for a long time. She said, oh, they flex back like that so that you can put them over your head or over your baseball hat or cap or something. I said, oh, that's what that is. Well, there's a tip for you. Next time you go looking for some sunglasses, the better ones, the more expensive ones have that. Look for those. Might help you out next time you need sunglasses. That was just a quick tip. Well, I'll see you next time with more videos.